Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for your patronage. So, let's talk about the operational features of this device. It's a battery jump starter and power bank. So, that is, you can use it to jumpstart your engines, your car engines, motorcycles, and also tricycles. It's also a power bank for charging your laptops, your phones, your digital cameras, your USB rechargeable devices like your juicer, your clipper, and others. So the first thing to do after your purchase is to charge it for 2 hours. Okay, and you can charge it in two ways, either in your car, maybe you're on transit, or at home. So to charge it in your car, you need your cigarette charger. This end goes into this port, and this end goes into your car cigarette charger. Or you can charge it using your plug. This end goes into this port, and this end goes into your socket. Can be used to charge your phones. It comes with four different USB ports, so you can use either one of them. So you plug in your USB cord, and then you make sure that the switch is on, and you connect your phone. So for some phones, once it's plugged in, it starts charging. But for my phone and others, a few others, you need to press this circular button before it starts charging. And here you go. So to charge your laptop, it comes with this plug and 8 different adapters. Okay, so you select the one that pairs with your laptop. Let's give, for example, this one pairs with your laptop. You connect this either end of the plug. There's no specific end, they are the same. Either end of the plug, you connect it to the bottom end of this adapter. So this end now goes into your laptop, and this other end goes into this port. Okay, and I will talk more on charging your laptop in the next video. So if you are using the device and then you notice that the display screen goes dark like this, don't be alarmed. It's a power bank, so it's trying to conserve power. So to be sure that it's still on, all you need to do is just to open here, and then this same button that you press when you want to on the light or charge your phone, you press it, and then everything comes on again. Also, if you're not using the device, you charge it every 3 months. When you switch it on the third month, at the end of the third month, you notice that it's saying 99% because, of course, it's saving power, right? It's not discharging power, so it will remain fully charged. However, you can just charge it for 30 minutes or even less. Okay, it's not compulsory, but we do encourage that. And then for the laptop, to charge your laptop, different types of laptop uses different voltage, so you have to confirm the voltage that your laptop uses. Like mine, this is my laptop charger, so to check how the voltage, the amount my laptop uses, I just use the charger. I check the charger, it's written here 19 volts. Okay, so the device discharges 19 and 16 volts. As you can see, sorry, as you can see written here is 16 volts. So I'll just come and press this same button here to change it to 19 volts, and now it's 19 volts. Okay, and then you can plug in your laptop. So to jumpstart your car, which is the primary function of this device, it comes with your clamp, and as it's with every other car, your red goes to the positive and the black goes to the negative. So you clamp your battery heads, make sure it's well secured. And then where it's written engine start, okay, you connect the clamps. If you look at it closely, it looks like a D and an O. So also with the plug, the D and an O, so you connect accordingly. Make sure it goes in, and then you start your car. It's that straightforward. Once your car starts, you disconnect within 30 seconds. Okay, not more than that. If you try for more than 3 times and it's not starting, please check your connection. Maybe you reversed it. Instead of red to positive, you connected to negative and vice versa. So You check that, and once the car starts to disconnect within 30 seconds, because you don't want to blow up the fuse. This is a jump starter, battery jump starter, not a battery charger, please. Okay, so you disconnect it within 30 seconds. And if you are interested, we also sell battery chargers, pulse repair battery chargers. They charge your battery and they also desulfate your batteries. So once your car starts, you disconnect. So you disconnect in the reverse sequence. So this was the last to go in. So this will be the first to be disconnected. And then black and red. I will talk more about the charging or the jump starting of your battery, whether your car has a battery or your battery is dead or your car doesn't have a battery at all. I will demonstrate that better in the next video. Simply connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the battery, the black clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Plug into your device. Start your car and disconnect within 30 seconds to prevent blowing up the fuse. If you don't have a battery, you connect directly to the car terminals. Red to positive, black to negative. Plug into your device. Start your car and disconnect within 30 seconds. So for the other operational features of this device, it comes with a hammer. So in case if you have an emergency and you want to break the windscreen, this can come in handy. It also has a blade to cut seat belt. And then it comes with touchlight. So to put it on, you need to press this same button I pressed when I had to charge the phone. So you press it for 3 seconds and then it comes on. Then you can press it again to change the pattern of the light. You can also press it again to change it to the blinker, your emergency light. And then it comes with a red and blue light. So you double click this same button for that to come up. And then that's it. When you are done, you can switch off by pressing it for 3 seconds. And finally, it comes with a compass, which is actually a bonus. And that is basically the operational features of this device. Thank you and bye.